Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. Today I'm sharing half circle skirt cutting and stitching. It's super easy and looks really pretty, so let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. For this project I have taken 2 meter rayon fabric and fabric width is 40 inch. Firstly, fold the fabric by half in length. This is on-fold side and this is open side. Now from the top corner, I'll mark the radius, which will be hip round divided by 3.14. I've taken hip round because I'm making skirt with elastic waist belt. So in this case, we'll take hip round to calculate radius. But if you're making skirt with belt and side opening, then again you need to take waist round to calculate radius. I hope I made it clear. In my measurement, hip round is 38 inch. 38 divided by 3.14 is around 12 inch. So from the top corner, I'll mark a point at 12 inch and I'll mark the same point till the other end. I'll add 0.25 inch of seam allowance on the waist. Now from the waist, I'll mark the skirt length, that is 26 inch. Adding 1 inch for seam allowance, so I'll mark a point at 27 inch. Now measure the same from the top corner. This is 39 inch. Now keep the measuring tape on the top corner and mark the same measurement 39 inch till the other end. So marking is complete, now I'll cut it. Now to cut the belt, measure the skirt waist. It's 20 inch and as this is double layer, 20 plus 20 will be 40 inch. So I need 40 inch long waist belt. I'm using this leftover fabric. Now we know required length is 40 inch. belt width depends on the width of elastic. I'm using this 1 inch wide elastic. Double it, 1 plus 1 is 2. Add around 1.5 inch of seam allowance. So I'll mark belt width at 3.5 inch. This is 25 inch in length and this is double layer. I'll just take the whole length and I'll trim the excess later. It's always better to take 3-4 inch extra. So I've cut the belt. Make small cuts on the skirt waist. I've cut out the elastic 2 inch less than the waist round measurement. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch and this elastic is 26 plus 1 inch for seam allowance. And with this, cutting of half circle skirt is complete. Now I'll stitch it. Firstly, I'll attach the belt with the skirt. I've cut the belt in 2 pieces, so firstly I'll attach them. Join both pieces right sides together and make a stitch. Overlock each side separately. Now open and iron the seam, and this is how it will look. Now place the belt on the skirt waist, right sides together, and make a stitch. I've attached the belt and I'll trim the excess fabric. I've ironed the belt and the top seam allowance as well. Now I'll stitch the side fitting seam. Both are finished edges, so I don't need to overlock, just open and iron the seam. Now I'll make a stitch on the belt. I have folded it by half and I'll make a stitch leaving 1 inch or 2 of space to insert the elastic. I'll leave the space. Now I'll finish bottom round of the skirt. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. So I finished the bottom round. Now I'll insert the elastic using safety pin. have inserted the elastic, overlap both ends like this and make a stitch to secure it. And I made a stitch. Stretch the elastic. Now try it once. If it fits properly, just close the opening left to insert the elastic. So my half circle skirt is ready and it looks really amazing. I'm totally in love with it. Do try it guys, it's really super easy project. Thanks for watching guys, hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care, bye bye.